May or may not castle depending. If he plays g4 or not. Oh, I could play g4, right? Now I can castle. Yeah. Trade. Kick him anyway. Oh, let's pre-move this. Try and kick one out. Does he want more milk?
Somebody peed in the middle of the floor.
Huh? Oh, good. Interesting. Detect the pawn. Discovery in the bishop, or like, I mean, I have a discovery, but where? But where is the question? anything this night. Threatening that one. Oh, we got a fork. We got a fork. He drank all his milk. And if this one just take this.
You still hungry?
It's just a trade. I think my is better. It's gotta. Maybe I'll take that one. Oh. Then I'll take this one. And somebody's still a piece up. And finally, piece up. Piece up. Yes, combination works. Did you see that, Brock? Did you see that cool combination? Okay. Now it's time to play chess. You thought we were already playing chess, but we're like that's just a preliminary. Now he's like doing a pawn storm. Pawn storm. I'm gonna try to take all his pawns. Ooh. Oh. Pushes that one. Push this one. Now I push this one. 1, 2, 3. I take with the knight. Gets this rook in. He attacks my pawn. Oh no! He takes that pawn as a mistake because it's a fork. Ooh. He takes the other one. Oh. Brock. How am I gonna win? Brock, he's putting all his pawns on light squares. Let's see. How about this plan? Oh, he's gonna block and mate me. Oh, that cheeky bastard. Oh, he's trying to mate me, Brock. I had to escape. There's nothing else I could do. Let's see. Oh no! Still tough. Okay, that gives me an escape route. You should not push that pawn. Otherwise I have zero escape, I think. Okay, now I'm winning. Completely. Winning completely. Yeah. Wow, he resigned. Ran out of time. Okay, bro. Do you want more milk? Okay, I'm gonna make more milk for Brock.